Read along classic nature poetry. Poem 8, Rain. Hello, I'm Claire Harris from Unforgettable Notes. I'll read the poem twice, the second time more slowly. You might like to read along with me or just listen and enjoy. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's up to you. First, a look at the picture. We can share our thoughts. This poem is Rain by W.H. Davies. I'm looking at the picture and thinking how much a garden appreciates some rain. How about you? Now I'll read. This is the first reading. Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. I'll read again, and you might like to read along. Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. Thanks for reading with me. That poem makes me think of the sound of the rain and its generosity. You may have thoughts to share too. The next video has the next poem in the book. See you then.